The Kwon sentencing is expected to happen in the next 24 hours. A lot is going to happen in the next 24 hours. The outcome from the legal case might not sit well with some people. That is just the truth. Now, from what I understand, the Kwon is possibly only looking at a maximum sentence of 12 years in jail. The Terra Luna Classic community is divided on whether Do Kwon is innocent or not. Why some of you think he's innocent, some think he's not. Some think he's very, very guilty. And at the end of the day, if you ask me, if he is found guilty, then justice should be served. There's no two ways about it. The federal prosecutor seeks 12 years sentence for Do Kwon over Terra's $40 billion collapse, citing colossal fraud that triggered cascading market failure and contributed to FTX downfall. Like, this whole shit is just like intertwined, connected to each other. You get this crash happened in 2022. For those that were not aware, the memory is still fresh with me, and to be sincere, it affected a lot of people, like seriously. Well, by the way, we are going to be looking at the Terra Luna Classic price update real quick. We are currently trading around 0.00064. If you guys remembered, in our last Terra Luna Classic video, I specifically told you guys I'm expecting a bounce from the 0.00047 territory. You get, that was exactly what happened. You guys are going to watch the previous video to bring yourself up to speed. That was exactly what happened. And fortunate for we, the Terra Luna Classic holders, I was expecting it to tap into this territory, which is going to be a 16 to 17, 18% pump. But we tapped into this territory and broke above it, flipped it into a support. I think we are now currently headed to this significant resistance zone, which is around 0.00072 territory. Now, we have to be sincere with ourselves. Both the Luna token and the Terra Luna Classic token are all extremely volatile and carry significant risks and uncertainty at the moment, considering we are just less than 24 hours away from the legal case. Judge Paul, who is going to be doing all the sentencing, is also seeking clarity on issues such as Do Kwon's potential extradition to South Korea, which I think a lot of people are going to find this interesting if it eventually happens. That is, if Do Kwon eventually is convicted, you get. And then the victim compensation before the sentencing hearing on Thursday, that is yet to happen. So the victims are yet to get their compensation. Now, from the look of things, if he's finally found guilty after serving his sentencing in the United States, which is likely to be 12 or 15 years, and after that, he's likely to be extradited to South Korea. The sentencing in South Korea is going to be more brutal because they are looking at a 40-year sentencing. Now, if you're paying attention, the trading volume is up for Terra Luna Classic 26% in the last 24 hours, and market cap is up 8%, price up 8% as well. Now, we are currently seated at a market cap of $358.55 million, which is looking good if you ask me. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, if care is not taken because we are approaching the sentencing period already, which is expected to happen December 11, 2025. The time is 11 a.m. Eastern time. Now, if care is not taken, I think Terra Luna Classic might maybe form a lower high, which if that is happening, then we should be looking at something like this, a deviation just like we had here, and another deviation. By the way, if you're here to like this video, please smash the like button, destroy the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And another deviation, because if you guys notice, when we got a bounce from this precise level I told you guys I am expecting a bounce from, when we got that clean bounce from there, we broke this first resistance and then consolidated above that resistance, closed few 4-hour candle above that resistance. Now, we've been consolidating. Price hasn't like moved down aggressively or moved to this next resistance around 0.000072 zone. So that should ring a bell, and that should tell you that something is wrong somewhere. And if you're paying attention to the RXI as well, the RXI hasn't really moved towards the overbought territory. The RSI is still currently seated at around 61.99%. That is, the volume is decreasing for Terra Luna Classic. I just thought I should bring this to you guys' attention real quick so that you won't be taken unaware. The risk now is very, very high because you never can tell. We might just start retracing to the downside to fill this massive gap we left behind as a result of the massive pump we had a few days ago. If you guys paid attention to my previous BTC price update video, which I posted on the channel a few days ago, I specifically gave you guys the heads up of the $87,000 zone. And I told you guys the moment BTC is coming there, I'm expecting a bounce to the upside, a retrace, and then a continuation of the trend all the way to the 95K territory. Now, if you're paying attention, BTC is currently trading around $92,000 price. That was exactly what happened. We came to this 87K territory, got a clean bounce from there, and then rallied all the way to $94,588 for the BTC USD pair. The price might be different on other exchanges. CG Binance now thinks cryptocurrency market, the crypto space is now in a super cycle. I think the market movers, the whales, won't just wake up and throw the word or use the word super cycled loosely.
Don't quote me on this, but I think that force will be quite strong. So that force may be strong enough to offset the 4-year cycle. Who knows? Yeah.
So you're saying next year bull market?
We may be seeing a super cycle. Wow. So we'll see. Yeah. I'm not sure. Yeah.
We'll see.
Yeah.
Now, Cathy Woods now thinks BTC classic boom and crash pattern is fading, and that BTC may have already hit its bottom few weeks ago. Now, she's basically saying the 4-year cycle for BTC has broken, which is what we've talked about countless times on my channel. So I told you guys I'm expecting a fresh bull run come Q1 2026. And as a matter of fact, I think we are likely to get a short bear market starting from Q2 2026 before a massive bull run in 2027. Is this a sign that retail are about to begin to massively flood the crypto market? Because Bitwise CEO just said major banks with trillions of dollars of assets under management have recently allowed their clients to buy BTC, Bitcoin, and other cryptocurrency ETFs, which is massive if you ask me. I think the stars are already aligning for a confirmation of cryptocurrency BTC super cycle, which, if you are going back to the chart, the BTC dominance is here to give us that aggressive dump we've always desired. The last time the aggressive dump happened in 2017, the altcoin market exploded. BTC price exploded as well, but altcoins were outperforming BTC at a greater pace then. Same thing happened in 2021. So we are expecting that aggressive crash now. I think which we might get this aggressive crash in 2026, which I'm expecting my exit windows for 2026 to be Q1 and Q2 to be precise. So Q1 and Q2 are the period I'm looking to massively exit my altcoin positions. If you're here to smash the like button of this video, don't forget to smash the like button, destroy the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. My name is Isaac, you're welcome. The cryptocurrency market fear and greed index is currently seated at 26 indicating fear. We've recovered. Today is December 10th, 2025. We've recovered from the yesterday extreme fear of 22, which we were. And if you're paying attention, the market is also gradually recovering. The top 100 cryptocurrencies are seeing slight gain. BTC is up 2% in the last 24 hours, ADA 7%, TIA 4%, XPX 2%. A lot of projects are up, like AVAX 5.1%, Night 92%. I don't know why Night is pumping, but I think it's going to get a correction soon. Let's not forget the orders chart against the BTC pair. Now, this is the orders against the BTC pair on the monthly time frame. And if you're paying attention, we are still holding strongly above this multi-year and multi-cycle support territory for altcoins. The last time we found support here was when quantitative tightening came to an end, August 1st, 2019. And after that, altcoin market rallied aggressively to the upside. Quantitative tightening also came to an end few days ago, which was December 1st, 2025. So I'm expecting the market, like I said in the previous videos, I think the market is going to bottom this Q4 2025. And Q1 is likely to be a fresh bull run. Considering the orders chart is now on support level, quantitative tightening has come to an end, so all indications are now pointing towards a rally to the upside. Fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. As always, my name is Isaac. Peace out.